Good morning and Jai Hind all of you. So in this video we will study about the basic introduction about physics, how it originate, its branches, so that you have an idea of what a basic physics is. You must know about your subject first. So first of all we will start with the origin of the word physics. So physics is originated from a Greek word that is physis, which means nature. As we know, we learn about natural phenomena basically under physics. So because we read here natural phenomena, therefore it is originated from the word physis, which means nature. So it got its name physics. Now we are able to define physics. What is physics? Physics is the study of various physical phenomena, natural phenomena, and the fundamental laws governing them. For example, Newton's laws of motion, first, second, third, Newton's law of cooling, Pascal's law. So there are many physical fundamental laws which are used to study the physics. Now here comes the next topic, that are branches of physics. So we categorized physics broadly into two main categories. First one is classical physics and second one is the modern physics. So the development that have been before 19th century, that comes under the category classical physics. Here comes the main topics, that are classical mechanics, wave, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, etc. And in under modern physics, so the development in the physics which got its name after 19th century comes under the modern physics. Here the main categories are atomic physics, nuclear physics, quantum mechanics, etc. So these are some basic branches of physics. Let we have some brief idea of all these branches. So first one is the classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is the study of effects produced by a force. Here we basically study about motion of daily objects, daily life experiences, like motion of a car, motion of a ball. All these things comes under the classical mechanics. Second is the wave. Wave is the study of effects produced by a vibration or an oscillation. For example, here a musician is playing guitar. The strings of the guitar are vibrating and sound waves are being produced. There is a pendulum. So the oscillations of the pendulum produce waves. So these kind of things are studied under waves. Next is thermodynamics. What do you mean by thermo? Thermo means temperature, heat. So it is the study of effects produced by heat. For example, here is a thermometer where the mercury expands by absorbing the heat. Here is the engine, thermal engine. There is a refrigerator. So all these things comes under the, there are many more examples also. So all these things where heat and the effects produced by heat are studied under the thermodynamics. Next is electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is the study of effects produced by electricity or a magnet. For example, heater, light energy, light thundering, lightning, wave energy. Here wind energy is being produced. So where electricity is concerned, magnetism is concerned, that all things comes under the electromagnetism. So next topic is optics. Optics, under optics we generally read about light, the effect produced by light. For example, reflection, refraction, dispersion, diffraction, interference, human eye, its defects, the lenses, mirrors. So all these things are being studied under optics. Next is atomic physics. Now what is this category comes under the modern physics. So what is atomic physics? Here basically the composition of atom, structure of atom is being studied, where subatomic particles like electrons, neutrons, protons are being studied. Then there is nuclear physics. We know in the nucleus there is a vast amount of energy which binds protons and neutrons together. This energy is being used to produce electricity in nuclear power stations, where nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, etc. are being studied under the nuclear physics. So quantum physics, this is quantum mechanics is the deals with the behavior of matter and energy at atomic scale. Here basically mesons, pi mesons, their behavior, at atomic scale matter and energy is being studied. So this is the many applications of this quantum mechanics will be introduced to you later on. So hopefully you have now the basic idea of your subject, its branches, what we are going to study under this subject. Hopefully you will be able to solve the questions also that I will ask you related to these. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.